Okay, you will see now that exam 1 is now open in MindTap. This is a quick tutorial to walk you through how to take the exam, the details of the exam, and when the exam is due. Let's start right there. The exam is due Wednesday, this Wednesday, at 11:59 p.m. You will have 60 minutes and only have one attempt. When you open the exam, I'll show you here in a second, a clock will start ticking and you have 60 minutes to complete 30 questions. This is unlike the homework where you can come and go. The exam must be taken in one sitting, meaning when you open the exam, you must complete the exam. Now keep in mind, you have 60 minutes up until Wednesday night at 11:59. If you open it Wednesday night at 11:58 p.m., congratulations, you have 1 minute to take a 30-question exam. So obviously, you want to start this exam well before that day and time. So the exam will be open all day today. It is Monday when I'm recording this. All night tonight. It will be open all day Tuesday, all night Tuesday. It will be open all day Wednesday until 11:59 Wednesday night. So you definitely have to take it before then. So when you come into MindTap, this is what's going to appear on your calendar setting. You're going to see exam 1. You can click exam 1. And again, you only get one attempt. So when you sit down to take this, make sure you have good Wi-Fi, good connection. Keep in mind the school has computer labs. You may use your textbook. You may use your notes. You may not use each other. In fact, I'm going to give you some incentive because principle number 4, rule number 1 of economics is people respond to incentives. If you bring me proof that someone is cheating on this exam, and cheating means trying to take it together, which is not really smart because the questions are scrambled and they're not all the same. Trying to take an exam together with someone, even if you bait them into it, give me some proof. You kids are great at recording things. Send me a video of someone cheating with you. I'll give you a 100 and them a 0. So turn each other in. I just incentivize you guys to police yourselves. You bring me a cheater with ample proof. You guys TikTok, you do all kinds of, devious stuff anyway. Why not get some points for it? All right. Exam 1. Click here. All right. When you go to exam 1, it'll load. Loading, and it'll say, okay, here's when you have first and final take. Once you hit start, the clock starts. You got 1 hour when you hit start test now. If you leave this before you're done, like say you went in and did like 10 questions and they're all 3.33 points because there's 30 questions and you got them all right, but you said, you know what, I'm going to come back later, and you submit it, you close it out, congratulations, you just get a 33 on the exam. You have to take the whole thing in one sitting. Now, there is a couple of fail-safes built in. If computer loses connection, you will be able to resume if you get back in within a few minutes. However, if you do have technical issues, and it's so funny, the technical issues tend to go up near the deadline because you've procrastinated. If you have technical issues, let me know immediately. Send me an email. I don't care if it's like 3 in the morning. Send me an email. I'm not going to respond at 3 in the morning, but I do want a timestamp on that. All right. If you send me an email at 11:58 saying you have problems on Wednesday evening, I'm just like, well, you waited too long. As a side note, Google Chrome and Firefox tend to be the best web browsers to use in MindTap, in period. So I would definitely recommend you take the test in either Firefox or Google Chrome. Both of those are free downloads online. So let's start the test now. All right, looky here. You get a preview of one of the questions. Okay, you can see here, test exam 1. Now this won't be everybody's number 1. You have all the numbers here. You can jump around. You can see if you've got an answer right here. Okay, you can. Let's see if I can move this over. So you see your timer here. All right. See if I can move this joker over. You can save where you're at, meaning you save your answer, or you can submit your test for grading. Don't do that until you're done. So you have 30 questions. Don't submit your test for grading until you're done. But you can save your answers. But if I went through and I'm randomly going to do this, and then I went to number 2, let's say, okay, I put an answer in, I hit save it. All right, question saved. You see that? Question saved. All right. And then I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to go to number 2. All right. See my timer? Tick, 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 tick. And I got graphs. Guess what? The graphs don't move. So, all right, I'm trying not to show you the whole question, but there's a graph down there. All right. So on and so forth. You can pick answers. You can move on. All right. Now, when you are ready to submit your grade, you don't want to do this because I've only done one, but when you are ready, hit submit test for grading. All right. So pretty straightforward. There will be no makeups. So you got 72 hours to get this done. No makeups whatsoever. Try to make sure you get it done. Obviously, not try. Make sure you get it done before Wednesday at 11:59. Communicate, communicate, communicate. Welcome to college. Welcome to adulthood. Good luck on your first exam.